The smell of death. It's a Walking Dead. He's gonna come back. Oh.
Oh my god.
Go get Dr. Swinehart. I'll stay with
No! No. Let me go. She...
What is it that you're telling us? Bigby, water. Kitchen.
That's not the way to the kitchen. But how's your kitchen, bro? Oh, I guess it was the way to the kitchen. It's a mundane task to have to do. Could have just been a little short cutscene.
If you have something to ask him, you should do it now.
Who did this to you?
Faith.
I don't know about that.
Do you still have that letter?
Yes.
It's only 2 words, but he died without seeing them. I'm sorry. We need to figure out what happened here and find whoever did this.
Proof.
The mirror showed me this. Maybe I should have come here first. It's sharp, and there's blood on the blade.
I just don't understand. Why would someone want to kill him? What are they?
Prescription sleeping pills.
He was tired.
Fingerprints?
They'll be on the grip and the trigger. Matches the caliber of the gun on the floor. Still a little sticky.
That man touches a lot of blood.
When do you think that was taken?
Before all this.
Oh, no shit.
Son dearest Faith, I never meant to hurt you, and I cannot endure knowing that I have. This was for the best. I'll see you again. Love, your devoted Lawrence.
Doesn't mean he chopped her head off. Nah, I
We're
mean...
there together now.
About all we can hope for at this point.
Didn't get to look in the freezer. What you got, freezer? Oh, walk properly, please. Nothing over there. Alright. Oh, shit!
Stay here!
That caught me off guard.
No!
How'd that big boy fit in there?
Hey! Stop! Leave me alone!
Go to get it, go to get it, go to get it, go to get it. Definitely was pressing the right trigger and it still grabbed him. Ooh. Hello, special delivery.
Hey!
Ease up, Bigby. We're on the same side here.
You son of a bitch. Make me run after you. Why did you run?
What?
Why did you run?
Fuck, man. Because you chased after me. The fuck was I supposed to do?
A man's dead.
I know how it looks, but I had nothing to do with that.
Bullshit. You're covered in blood.
Look, I was just asking him about the girl, that's all. When I mentioned her being dead, he freaked out. I figured someone had told him. How was I supposed to know? Shit. Fucker shot himself right in front of me. I couldn't stop him, man. You're looking for the woodsman, right? I know where he is. My guy says he's holed up at the Trip Trap. We can go over there right now, the both of us. My employer's looking to ask him a few questions, too.
Who are you exactly?
I'm D, and I'm a private investigator. There's a business card in my shirt pocket. You can see for yourself.
This is for a sandwich shop.
Yeah.
Really? Huh. Must have run out.
Who hired you?
I can't tell you that. It's confidential. Sorry. Sure you understand.
Nope. Can't say that I do.
Can I hit him?
Come on. You're coming with me.
I want to hit him.
This could have been easy.
Oh, don't worry. It still is. Come on.
Dumb.
Dumb? Yeah, it is. Look, it'd be
Uh-oh.
much easier for you
No, I'm D. He's dumb.
Shit.
You almost looked peaceful.
to... Yep.
At least he got a little sleep.
Except you're lying in a dirty alley.
Yep.
With an open wound on the back of your head.
Yep. Where'd they go?
Well, After the one guy hit you, and the other one finished kicking you,
That explains the ribs.
then they jumped into a car and drove off. Come on, get up. Guess we're out of options.
Nope.
He mentioned the trip trap.
I'm a detective.
Oh, I'll call a cab.
Let's go, female Watson. I am the Sherlock. Sure, we need a cab to get there, but walk everywhere else.
Every time I think I'm getting a handle on what's going on, things just get more complicated. It feels like we're always a step behind.
The woodsman is the only lead we've got, and he was one of the last people to see Faith alive. Getting some answers out of him will start to clear things up.
I hope you're right.
Me too.
Bigby, be honest with me. Who do you think did this? I know it's still early, but I just feel a step behind. It's an uncomfortable feeling.
We haven't talked to him yet, but
Damn it, I meant
Tell
to
me.
go pimp.
I don't think anything would surprise me at this point.
I feel like Bluebeard has something to do with this.
I had the same suspicion.
I don't know how or why just yet, but if you're asking, this is his M.O. There's still a lot of questions. We find
Guess
the
I
woodsman,
accidentally
figure out what
chose
he
right.
knows, and go from there.
Or chose
Makes sense.
to make her agree.
That's probably
Whatever.
the best approach.
Glad there was that part.
Thanks
I
for
wish
you.
there was... Sorry.
Go ahead. I didn't mean to cut you off.
No, it's
Getting awkward.
nothing. I just... Seeing all this today, there are fables that are struggling worse than I'd imagined. We pay so much attention to the residents of the woodlands. You forget there's a whole community out there to serve. To have to turn to prostitution. I wish there was more we could do.
We all do.
This isn't how I thought it would be. But Crane runs things his own way.
You're doing your best. It's all anyone can do.
Obviously, you don't know what I do all day. Right now, I'm the gatekeeper, making sure none of these disenfranchised folks are, as he puts it, wasting his time.
You'll fix it.
I don't know. It's just a broken system. The fables who walk in through the back door like Bluebeard, we have all the time in the world for them. You try and come in through the front door, through the proper channels, asking for anything, needing help. Well, I turn you away.
You do? Or Crane
Now
does?
things are worse off than they've ever been.
Well, that's not true.
Right. We've had it worse, but not by much.
What the hell? We know.
Maybe this isn't for me. I thought public service was pure.
You'll figure it out. You're better than I am with this political stuff.
Well, that's not saying much.
I trust you to make the right decision.
I hope you're right.
Yeah, me too, because I just put my faith in you.
Maybe you should handle this one.
Yeah, maybe I should.
Bigby. Just be careful.